Are you looking to redo your shower or bath? You are not alone. With many options available in the shower remodeling market, how can you ensure you get a great price and a quality product? The answer is simple. Replace your old shower with a sleek, sophisticated upgrade in just one day. One-day shower systems have grown in popularity over the years. This is no surprise because homeowners are not looking for long, drawn-out projects that take weeks or months to complete. One-day showers give homeowners surprisingly affordable options and are a smart way to save on long overdue home improvements. So what are you waiting for? Get your fast, free quote today. There is no obligation, and estimates are good for 1 year, so you can take your time to think about it and compare your options. And for a limited time, enjoy $500 off, plus low monthly payments on approved credit. Click on the button below to take advantage of these special offers and get your free quote today.